Now commuting will get a little dearer as the petrol and diesel prices have once again been hiked in India. The OMCs increased the petrol prices by 0.87 rupees per litre, while the diesel prices were raised by 0.91 rupee per litre. This marks the third fuel price hike within 8 days. Moreover, prices in Delhi NCR have been increased by 1 rupee per kg. My colleague Shivam from Times Network is now joining us with the ground report. Let's take a look.
Well, the fuel prices have increased for the third time in the last 10 days. Now, today, early in the morning, the notification came that now the prices of the petrol have been increased to over 0.87 rupees, while the diesel prices have increased to over 0.9 rupees. And also in addition to a 1 rupees per kg increase in the CNG as well. So all the three major fuels or vehicles have increased, and we have seen the overall difference of rupees 5 in the last 10 days when it comes to petrol and diesel. It is being reported throughout the nation that now the prices have increased due to the ongoing conflict in the West Asia. We're currently reporting from a petrol station which connects on the main highway which connects Delhi to Noida. And here you see, despite not being the peak office day, it is weekend, it is Saturday, but still you see commuters are at the petrol stations early in the morning as they are going towards their particular work, their commutation work, and they are trying to fill the petrol. Currently the petrol prices in the national capitals are rating around 99.47 rupees per litre, so inching towards the 100 mark, while the diesel prices are above 90 as well, and we are seeing the increase in CNG price as well. And so we'll get a sense of idea about the kind of increase we are from the common people as well. Sir, तीसरी बार हम देख रहे हैं पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ गए हैं पिछले 10 दिन में, अब 99 के आसपास है, 100 होने वाला है। क्या आपको लग रहा था ऐसा होगा पहले, या आपके लिए कुछ सरप्राइज?
ये तो अक्सर जो है, जब हर कंट्री में प्रॉब्लम है तो इंडिया में क्यों नहीं। अक्सर जो है सरकार को बदनाम करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, बट ये है कि अदर कंट्रियों में तो ज़्यादा रेट बढ़े, इंडिया में तो बल्कि कमी है। जिस हिसाब से देखा जाए, इतनी मारा मारी है, आदमी को वहाँ से तेल लेना, CNG लेना, गैस लेना, और यहाँ तो बहुत ही मान लो कि कोऑपरेटिव है सरकार की, लोगों को कोऑपरेट कर रही है।
तो आपने देखा है कि सरकार की तरफ से भी लगातार ये अपील की जा रही है कि ये इंटरनेशनल है कि आप या तो बाहर मत जाइए या एक्स्ट्रा फ्यूल मत वेस्ट कीजिए, सोना मत लीजिए। लगता है आपको कि वाकई लोगों को बात माननी चाहिए, क्योंकि देश पूरी
रहना चाहिए, देश हित में तो आदमी को रहना चाहिए। देखिए, गवर्नमेंट कभी हमारे जो भी यहाँ पब्लिक है इसके लिए बुरा तो नहीं चाहेगी, बट इंसान को खुद को कोऑपरेट करना है। गवर्नमेंट तो इंसान के ऊपर है ना, इंसान कोऑपरेट करे तो गवर्नमेंट क्यों चाहेगी कि हमारा नुकसान हो या हमारे कंट्री के लोग परेशान हो। ये चीज होना चाहिए।
Thank you so much. So you were listening to the Delhi commuters who have also said that we understood the kind of global uncertainty that the country is going through, and that is why the prices is not something that they are surprised with. However, yes, they are adding to extra pressure on their pockets, but again, well, it is the ongoing conflicts throughout the globe. There is hardly a stern control of any particular government, and that is why they have also said that the appeal made by the government of avoiding foreign travels, avoid excess use of petrol and not panic buying is something which is reasonable, and they should also understand, the common citizen should also understand on how things will move forward.
And well, Adeep also joins us from Lucknow to get us the ground report. Let's take a look at that.
Prices have changed in Lucknow as well. I'll show you the prices that have changed in Lucknow. This is the price of diesel. The diesel has gone up to 92.63, while the petrol prices have almost reached the 100 mark. This is the petrol price in Lucknow. This is at 99.26, and the petrol prices have been increased. लगातार जो है 10 दिन में ये तीसरा प्राइस हाइक है। किस तरह से चीज़ें मैनेज करेंगे अगर पेट्रोल प्राइसेस इसी तरह बढ़ते रहेंगे?
मैनेज कहाँ हो पाएगा, इतनी महंगाई में जो है पेट्रोल और महंगा होता हुआ जा रहा है। कमाई में कोई जो है बढ़ोतरी नहीं है, और उसके साथ साथ गैस सिलेंडर भी महंगा हो रहा है, और घर के ज़रूरती सामान उसके चक्कर में सब महंगे होते जा रहे हैं। हर एक चीज़ पे पैसा बढ़ता जा रहा है। अगर पेट्रोल बढ़ रहा है, डीजल बढ़ रहा है, तो हर चीज़ पे मार पड़ रही है।
Now people are facing the problem. They are saying it's not just about the petrol, but the overall inflation will increase. When the prices of the petrol will increase, how the people will manage? Their salaries are not getting increased, but the prices of the petrol and diesel, they are increasing day by day, and it's the third increase that has taken place, the third price surge in the last 10 days that has taken place.